Scaling industrial IoT is tough. And in my years of experience working with industrial OEMs, I've seen IoT solutions become cost-heavy long before they deliver real value. At IoT 83, we asked a different question. What if you could stream data from millions of devices and apply AI/ML services for predictive maintenance without skyrocketing costs? That's exactly what the Flex 83 platform delivers. From the Flex Foundation to the Flex Core Services, Flex is a full-stack middleware that lets you build custom IoT solutions with complete IP ownership in a cloud-agnostic deployment. And our Catalyst application even gives you a head start on this. In this showcase, you'll see how our team ran 1 million assets on the platform securely, reliably, and the best part is they managed to do it at less than 10 cents per device per month. That is a 90%, yes, 90% cloud cost reduction. Let's take a look.
Your industrial IoT solution doesn't have to cost more at scaling. Flex 83 is your middleware to build, operate, and optimize IoT solutions at 90% lower cloud cost. To show this in action, we have built a custom IoT solution on the IoT Middleware, powered by 30+ pre-built microservices, and streamed 1 million asset data to show the platform's scalability. With no glue code, no vendor lock-in, and complete IP ownership. Onboard assets and monitor asset performance, trigger alerts, forecast failures, automate responses across operations in real time, live telemetry, full system observability, all while running under 10 cents per device per month. A 90% cost reduction without compromising on quality. We just showcased a custom IoT solution with over 30 features under million-plus device load. It is high time to onboard an industrial IoT platform that lets you build scalable and cost-efficient enterprise-grade solutions with full ownership control and long-term value. Talk to an IoT solution expert today.